It started out with a dream, turned it into a thing, turned it into a goal. Po' boys diesel, look where we are. Yeah, we ready to fight, we ready to roll. Fighting the cancer, fight for the goals. Cold that we roll, for Mama Po. Shout out to Missy, shout out Baby Po. Can't do it alone, it's all part of the craft. If you viewing at home, then you part of the family. Yeah, it's Po' boys diesel, BWB, the dragon drop tool, black smoke and DIY.
Let's get started and let the po roll.
What's going on, co-rollers? This is Po Boy coming at you. Hey guys, we got another unboxing, and this time it's coming from Full Force Diesel. We actually got the injectors back. Yeah, that's right. We sent the cores in. Now we got them back. I'm so happy to open these up. As you guys know, this is all for Battle Axe. She's going to be having these. They're 180cc, 30% over injectors, and I am really happy that we got them, because this is going to allow us to continue with the progress on that build. And yeah, I'm just going to open it up, see what we find. Let's go for it right away. Oh, okay. I'm a little lost here. The box is pretty cool. I like it. Alrighty, set these down here and flip it over to you guys' side so you can see it. Go, look at here. You got a nice cover over the front. It's good for shipping, that's for sure. Keeps everything nice and organized. Oh, look there. They have a foam insert holding them apart from each other, which protects them very well for shipping purposes. That's awesome. You just got to grab a look at one. I mean, we all know what a Huey looks like, right? But there we go. All right, look at there. It's got brand new O-rings. It's got the new nozzles. It's got the new copper washers. And they are, let's see here if I could have a look. Yep, they are AA code. That's great. So single shots, 180 30s, and yeah, this is going to go, like I said, onto the Battle Axe. As you guys can see, probably, I don't know if you can or not. Well, actually, this camera should be able to capture it, or that one. So there's 4 on the top, and apparently there's 4 more on the bottom. Matter of fact, let me just pull these out so we can get to the bottom ones. 2. Wowzers, here we go. 3. That's 4. And this is that foam insert that I was talking to you about. Holding them separate from each other. It's pretty neat. Kind of like a pelican case. Got another in between. And then we got the second row of injectors. Once again. Look at that. Nice. This actually makes me very excited, guys, because like I said, it will allow me to continue with the build. We were at that point where we said, okay, the next step, we're probably going to make a video including either the installation of the injectors or other parts. Now we could definitely say that this will be part of the install that we'll be doing on the next video probably. But yeah, I'm super happy. I'm really happy the way also that they packaged it. It's really nice, safe, you know, it won't get beat up in traffic. That's great. And yeah, a big thank you to Rose Synthetics. It was through them that we got them. Eric, a big thank you to you, buddy. There's one thing, guys, that you guys gotta know. Sometimes I'm in a situation where I really need a part. I'm trying, looking around, and sometimes just don't get answers that you need. And time is of an essence. And with Rose Synthetics, he's always there. He gives me an answer right away, and he just, you know, says, hey, if you want it, let me know. So I let him know. He says, send them in. I sent in the course. You guys saw it on the previous video when we took them out of the Pegasus. Sent them over to him. He got whatever he needs to do. I don't know exactly, but I guess he sends the core over to them. And we got the injectors over here. So I am very, very happy. I hope you guys are looking forward to it. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but the channel has been growing. It's like so fast, and it's so fast for me to even grasp. So I'm like trying to make sure that I could gather all the content that I can as soon as possible. We have, or should I say, we're in the talks with a videographer that might give us a hand pretty soon here. I'm not saying it's going to be a full-time type of deal, but when you're the producer, the videographer, the sound, everything, and you're dealing with the business, you're dealing with a lot of things, it gets a little bit overwhelming. So we're going to be hiring a little help, and I'm looking forward to that. So yeah, it's just growing so fast. So for all you new folks, welcome to Po' Boys Diesel. Thank you for subscribing. And for everybody on here now, please make sure you like, subscribe if you haven't, and leave some comments. I like to interact with all of you. It's really important for me, actually, and it helps me out too. But you could ask anybody that has already commented in the past. I always answer back, and I would like to talk with you too. So I guess that's gonna be it for this unboxing. I know it wasn't too long-winded, thank God. But yeah, we'll leave it at that for now. We'll see what we got next, because we got another unboxing to do, and it'll be the next one posted. So I love you all, God bless you, and let the core roll.
Po' Boys Diesel, BWB, the Dragon Drive Tool, Black Smoke.